Last week I made a video about 3D printing preparation. You need to have some steps before the 3D printing. Then today I'm going to first step is 3D models. I need a spinning table and I got a fidget spinner. Instead of buying a new spinning table, I decided to make one myself with this fidget spinner. After the model is complete, of course, next step is printing.
The spring is done. Hey, thank you. This is the model of the spring. Let's test the size. Fidget spinner, a base. So I can rotate. So I need another part for on top.
Well, I got the parts now. So on bottom is a small spinning table. What is next? Test it! What do you think about that? Is it cool? I think yes. Maybe you think not. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about these videos or this model or this design or this combination. Or maybe you have a bunch of fidget spinner, you can do something similar to. I will upload my models to Thingiverse later. If you need it, you can add whatever change the tabletop. You can actually glue some boards on top of this. Of course, make sure you add the meter size. So I got the holes here actually is for your screw or whatever thing. So I think good enough for playing a small tricks for videos. Well, I think that's it to their videos enough. See you next time. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe.